Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. 17:43, what's all about? Don't know, never mind. Good morning. Just having a bit of a sort out and putting some things away for winter and whatnot. Let's have a look. We've got wraps of blacks, got squid and black, packs of squid and blacks. There we go, all nice sizes. Squid and black wraps up there, make it myself. There's 300 blacks there. And then just got some fish bait, mind the rabbit. 300 there, and then these ones here are the size. That is the size of the worm. As you see, nose and tails are sticking out on the side. There we go. There we go. Another 200 of them. There's actually one of the worms in these packets here where it's folded up. Just wrapped these up last night. Whoa. What else I've got in the freezer? Pure codfish and bits. Right, put them all there. Put the receipt back in the Aldi bag. So that's all in there. But it's hard when you don't use the GoPro. So yeah, mind the rabbit again. I have, and the squirrel. Just some packs of frozen blacks again, frozen worms, some mackerel heads, and then of course we got in here some frozen whites, and then bad boys. And then packs of razor, packs of sandale, more packs of razor. More razor, some herring, more razor, more razor. That's what I took last year, well, in February, sorry. Look at them bad boys, my sausage hands are going out to go off really. Here's a flask, way up. There we go, look, half the size of a flask. These here, some nice frozen blacks. It's all packed up. Frozen squirrel. And there's just my tubs of my frozen stuff and whatnot. And what I've got here is some trays. You know what these are for, don't you? Basically they're perfect. The trays are perfect to sit in the freezer mint, as you see, but it doesn't actually shut the freezer. Oh, it does, aye. Yeah, it does seal it, but it's not great, not a great seal. So what I'll do is put that back on there. I'll spin this around. Get it level ish, he says. Put them all next to each other like so. To a cart. Yep, that there is perfect. So I'm going to scoop it out and I'm going to put it into these here to make cart sticks with. Coral sticks, whatever you want to call them. You don't need much coral. It's basically dog's bollocks. It's what we used to use all them years ago before the cart wings started coming around. And I'll leave them in there for a good 3 or 4 days so they go solid. So we'll get these portals. What I use for mine is, but there, make sure it's not going to fall. I'm just recording on the phone, so I've lost touch for the phone. Don't tell the missus, got a spoon. Like I say, it's been out defrosting yesterday. Lovely jubbly. Look at that. Cod soup. Lovely. So right, I'm going to get this. Just put a bit on the spoon, and then just like that. A touch more in that. Now, the reason why I'm doing this inside the chest freezer is because I don't want to drop it. Imagine dropping this and this stuff going everywhere. They should be stinking. The first we put a petition to stop us from, well, I've only got quilling in here now. I'll just scoop a bit up. Throw it in there. These here are like the size of my little finger, so they're not exactly small. A bit more for the back of one. And that there is how you prepare yourself some cart wings. Well, cart sticks, sorry. The old school way. You can put them in finger bandage, pretty tights, wrap it in cling film, any way you want. Roll on the cod. So there, as you can see, like Blue Peter. Wait, what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 40 baits there. Look how much bait I've still got left. Still got 3/4 of a tub. So how much am I going to get out of that? That was 2 kilos of coral. Let that sink in. You'll see us using these in the winter for the good old cod. Roll on the cod season, I say, like every year. But that's how I prepare my sticks, coral bombs, whatever you want to call them. It's a fair old bit there. That's how we used to do it years ago. Or in a big tray, then cut them up. But this is a little bit easier. And you can bulk them up with a black down the side of it, just like Stuart Hurd does in his videos in Zulcan Sports. So I hope you enjoyed it. It only took 5 minutes. So yeah, remember to hit the thumbs up button, give it a share, give it a subscribe, it's all free. And say hello to Quinn. He's looking forward to winter and all. So right. See you all later.